Hey, it's Joe McGregor with Coldwell Banker Realty. I just wanted to show you how to do a saved search real quick on the website. So when you come to the website, josephmcgregor.com, you're going to see in the top right-hand corner, there's a place to sign in. You can go ahead and create an account. I don't have an account, sign up. Once you do that, it'll bring you back to the home page here. Once we get to the home page, you can go right in here and type where you want. So let's just use the whole state of Rhode Island as an example. Type in Rhode Island. If you're looking to do a downsizer, what you can do is come over here to your price. Let's just say your max price was 650,000. You go ahead and apply that. You can also select beds and baths. So let's just say you wanted at least 2 bedrooms and at least 1.5 or 2 bathrooms. Click apply. And then we get into the filters. So we only want a single family. Say we don't want a townhouse or a condo, you can X that out. And then you want a maximum of 1,200 square feet. You can type that in. Maximum, let's just say you wanted a half an acre. And say that you wanted a single story home. Well, you can go over here, click apply. And then instead of sorting by price, we can sort by time on market or whatever you wanted. And as you can see here, we have a customized list that is saved. So what you do is you click Save Search. You type in what you want it to say. Rhode Island's downsizers. And then how do you want to be emailed? Do you want to be emailed hourly, weekly, once a day, or never? If you're really looking and you want to be updated right away, I would suggest hourly. But if you're just kind of poking around and you want to see what's out there or you're thinking about making a move, then once per day should be good or weekly. Now, just mind you, my site is updated right away because we have an IDX feed through the MLS. So what happens is you will actually receive all of the latest and greatest properties that are available on the market. One more thing I just wanted to mention is if you actually go to the main website, let me go back here. You are not just stuck to Rhode Island. We have an IDX feed throughout the whole country on this website, but you can obviously see Connecticut. If you're in the tri-state area, you can look in Connecticut. These are all the homes for sale available in Connecticut. It's loading right now. And then also Massachusetts. So I hope you enjoy using the website. It's very interactive. And I'm going to put out another video about how you can utilize the map to search and all that fun stuff as well. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Joseph McGregor, the Coldwell Banker. Thanks, and we'll talk soon.